This is panoramic view of antenna lab stand, which consists of the following components: measuring and control station based on National Instruments PXIe platform, which has an embedded controller, data acquisition card with connector block for position angle measurement, power source for DC motor control, and vector network analyzer for RF measurements. Lab has set of linearly polarized measuring antennas for 3 different frequency bands, and for steady horn antenna, syn-phase patch array antenna, dish antenna with linear polarization, circularly polarized spiral antenna, Yagi antenna with adjustable dipoles, and quarter wave dipole. Then the operator runs the software But before beginning of the lab, the system needs to be calibrated. The operator sets the frequency and creates 3 calibration files for appropriate bands to cover all represented antennas. For system calibration, we use set of calibrators, starting the calibration, taking end of the cables connected to VNA and sequentially do the calibration. First, connecting open, then push next, then short, next, load, next, connecting through adapter to finalize the calibration, and push OK to finish. Now we are ready to install the antennas on tripods. We take antenna on the test, put it on base and tighten it by screw. Now we choose a measuring antenna for appropriate band. Mount it on a tripod. Then connect the ends of RF cables to measuring antenna and antenna under test. Adjusting those directions and distance. Now the lab is ready. Student opens the program, logs the information about himself, his name, group, and create a folder to save the personal information results of a lab on a PC. Then selects one of the studying antennas, for example Yagi type. Student can simulate the antenna by setting frequency, number of directors, and get parameters of synthesized antenna like radiation pattern and physical dimensions. Then have results in the same directory. When it is possible to adjust the geometry of antenna under test according synthesized. Measuring and adjusting distances between directors. And length of dipoles. Then selecting one of the saved calibrated data for current antenna, and run the measuring software. Antenna starts rotating by azimuth. And results are plotting in Cartesian and polar coordinates. Measured results can be saved later to be compared with the theoretical ones synthesized earlier. Also, student can import the measurement results into Excel sheet, save those for later offline processing. Want to note that the English version of the software is coming soon.